Jordan. It's Jordan and Rome. Wait.
That's not. That's Jordan. That's you.
Jordan.
Yeah.
People are crying.
Wait, that's actually me?
Yes.
Jordan, that's you. Through the window. What time is this? All late. It's like 2.
Bro, we're like hungry. That's actually stupid. Like, those both young. Or is it just Jordan? Nah, Rome was just like double check. You woke up 16.
I'm not gonna lie.
You woke up 16 Oh fuck. Oh no.
Y'all put the food in cars.
Yo, guys want to see Grizzlies snowing up our tent?
Really late, and you guys are really, really loud, and we would really, really like to sleep. And the entire park, not your cars, your voices, can be heard for miles. We've tolerated it for hours. If you don't mind, would you please keep your voices to whispers so we can all sleep? The only thing that's good about it is you're keeping the fucking bears away. So please keep your voices down. Thank you.
That shit embarrassing. You're such a nigga. Kevin Vance come down live.
Yeah, it's fine though.
This guy you just trying to sleep like bro.
Yeah.
You're right. Move it forward.
Is Jordan out there? Somebody throw the food away.
Yeah. I don't even know. No way, man's arcade already.
No, I think men just saw something.
What do you mean? Oh, cause that guy?
The paging, yeah. This,
Bro, I swear it's not that deep. Just be quiet.
yeah, but then fucked up the vibes, I feel like.
No way.
Okay.
We need to quit wearing nothing really.
Because we have to get this out. This will attract bears, fam. This will attract the animals. No food out, fam.
Don't put the comments in the link.
No, the comments they have to go in something though. They can't stay in there. They have to come and go in the car.
Yo, where can I put these chips in Ron's car?
Yeah, just wherever you brought them.
One second. Yeah. You can just throw it in. Just don't let it explode. Oh.
brush my teeth. I'm gonna go in there and then yeah, come back out. Surdy,
Yo, we're camping right now. We gotta be super duper quiet, fam. Guy was crying about Jordan said eggs, bacon, cereal,
yeah, eggs, bacon, cereal. Okay.
and toast.
So let's just see. Let's get that over with and then we start again.
He left already. He left.
Oh, you went to the washroom?
Yeah.
Damn, why is that cold us? Okay, let's catch up then. Okay, Rome's on his way. Rome's here. Let's go.
Talk to that guy.
Toothbrush. So we keep our teeth clean, you fucking dirty bitches. Fuck. You stay white.
We outside, it's too late. We're gonna brush our teeth and get ready for bed in the 14 million person tent.
Straight up.
Yeah, this kind of vibe just walking.
It's nice, man. It's nice.
Yeah.
And the reception's perfect too, eh?
Yeah.
Nice. I think this is the washroom with the light on, eh?
It is dark too. You gotta be quiet. Move out in silence.
No, it's not one, but that's gonna be a washroom though. Sturdy. That's gonna double if we want. That's gonna double. Is that light? Okay. Wait, there's no fucking what? Like sink?
It's right here.
Oh, there's a sink. Okay. Oh, you and Sway in there now. Okay. Forward.
Yeah?
You have a garbage bag, right? Alright.
Hell no. All the way there?
You're even crazy right now, but like the water, it's a bird.
Bro, come on. This guy's. Sorry. Sorry.
You're here now. You can't be here. You start the fire. No way.